From DailyForex, this is Chris taking a look at the Australian dollar versus the Canadian dollar. You can see the Aussie has fallen during trading on Thursday as the ADP numbers in America came out stronger than anticipated, perhaps making the Federal Reserve remain tight longer. That has major implications on global trade flows, especially for Australia, which does a lot of its business in places like Asia that will pay for, you have to keep in mind the flow of money goes from Chinese yuan to US dollar, from US dollar to Aussie dollar. So that's something you should always keep in mind. These are both commodity currencies, but with China slowing down, Australia has some concerns. That's their biggest trading partner. While it is true the Canadian dollar is highly levered to the oil market, Canada has something Australia doesn't, and that's the United States. The U.S. economy continues to thrive. That should continue to make the situation in Canada much more tenable than Oz. But that being said, if we were to take out these double high or this double top here at 93, then we go higher. If we take out the 91 level, then I think we start to fall. This is a great little range to trade if you're a range bound trader, but it's definitely worth watching for a bigger move.